Hey there, and welcome to the LinkedIn course. My name is Laurence. I'm going to be your instructor for this course. And one of the main reasons why I'm creating this course is that I use LinkedIn on a daily basis. I use it to grow my business, to build my brand, and expand my connections. So basically, I'm a big fan of LinkedIn. I'm going to be sharing some of my techniques and things that I do on a regular basis that have helped me really grow my network and make some valuable connections. I also had created a LinkedIn course several years ago and it became really popular. So this is also an update to that previous course because obviously things have changed and LinkedIn has gotten even better. So I'm going to be highlighting you some of the really cool things that you can do with LinkedIn, taking you through step by step how to set up your LinkedIn profile, and then how to optimize that LinkedIn profile, and then what you can do with LinkedIn. So what's important and what's an important way to look at what you're doing with LinkedIn. Some creative ways to generate headline summaries and content within your LinkedIn profile. Now, I personally believe that LinkedIn is an excellent way to grow your professional network, and I've been really successful on LinkedIn, making some amazing connections that have allowed me to expand and grow my network of like-minded business professionals. I'm a regular LinkedIn user, and of course, you are welcome to connect with me on LinkedIn, and I'd love to hear from you. Now, the lessons in this course are divided up in small bite-sized pieces of information. So some of it might be more relevant to what you're looking for than others. So you are welcome to skip through the sections, and you are also welcome to go through them one by one in sequence, set up and optimize your own LinkedIn profile. Let's check out some of the amazing things that we can do with LinkedIn. Let's get started.